Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Student notice, today our topic is exercise 3.3 Factor part 2, lecture number 9, SW 6. Today I will select some problem. At first I will solve question number 7, then 8, then 10, then 11, then 18. Okay, then I will solve question number 21. Okay, look, let's start the solution. A square plus 6a plus 9 minus y square plus 2y. Look, I have written here 9. Then 9 minus 1 equal to what? 9 minus 1 equal to 8. Now, a square plus 2ab, look, 3 square minus, we have to take minus common, then y square minus plus a minus 2y minus minus a plus. Look, you see, this is the form as a square plus 2y is ab plus b square. Okay, so we have to write like this way, a plus 3 whole square. And what is the formula? You see, y square minus twice a b plus 1. Look, we can write here 1 or y. Look, 2 a means what? Y. B means 1. Okay, look, the value of 1 square and 1 is same. So we have to write here 1 square. Okay, now see, this is the formula as a square minus twice ab plus b square. Okay, therefore we can write y minus 1 whole square. Okay, now you see, this is the form of a square minus b square, and we know the formula of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so we have to write now like this way. Look, that means a plus 3 plus y minus 1. Okay, then a plus 3 minus y minus 1. Okay, then a plus y 3 minus 1 equal to what? 2. Right here plus. Now a plus 3 minus y minus, and this minus equal to plus. So right here plus. Now a plus y plus 2. Then a minus y 3 plus 1 equal to what? 4. Okay, student, and this is the factorization form of the expression a square plus 6a plus 8 minus y square plus 2y. So this is our required factor. Okay, you see. Now I will solve the question number 8. Look, 16x square, we can write here 4x then whole square, 25 we can write 5y then whole square, minus, you see, there are how many common? You see, you can divide this by 2x. Similarly, you can this expression by 2z. Sorry, you can divide this expression by 2z. Similarly, here 2z. That means we can say 2z is the common. Then there is remain 4x minus plus a minus. If you divide 10 by 2, then we get 5y, 5y. Okay. Student, notice here common, that means in here division. Look, 10yz by 2z. Z finish, then 2. You can divide 10 by 2, then we get 5. So 5y. You see, 5y. Now see, a square minus b square equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. That means 4x plus 5y, then 4x minus 5y minus 2z, 2z, this is 2z, 4x minus 5y. Now see, 4x minus 5y and 4x minus 5y is the common. So we have to write 4x minus 5y. Okay, 4x minus 5y is the common. So I have written this, and the rest of the term, that means 4x plus 5y minus 2z, you have to write as a product form like this here, 4x plus 5y minus 2z, 2z. Okay, so this is the required factor. Okay, so this is the answer. Now I will solve question number 10. Look, here the coefficient of x power 4 is 1, and here the constant term is 20. Okay, if we write 20, then break down by 2, then you get 10. You can, okay, so if we write like this way, x power 4, 5x square minus 4x square minus 20. Look, 5x square minus 4x square equal to what? 1x square. Okay, student, like this problem you have to solve in the previous class. Okay, so I didn't discuss so much. Look, so I will only solve this. Look, here x power 4 and x square, here is x square is the common, x square, then x square plus 5, then here 4 is the common. Look, 4, then x square, minus and minus, say plus, plus. Okay, if you divide 20 by 4, then you get 5. Okay, now x square plus 5, x square plus 5 is the common, then x square minus 4. This is the factor. Now look, you can write like this way, x square minus 2 square, then x square plus 5, then what is the formula of a square minus b square equal to what? That means x plus 2, then x minus 2. Okay, this is the required factor of this expression. Okay, now I will solve question number 18. Look, a minus 1 x square plus a square xy plus a plus 1 y whole square. Look, at first we have to consider, let a minus 1 equal to p, then a plus 1 equal to q. Now multiply a minus 1 into a plus 1 equal to what? A square minus 1 equal to p into q. What? pq. Or a square equal to what? pq plus 1. Okay, now we have to put this value in this expression. Now write the expression becomes, look, a minus 1 equal to what? P. Write p x square, then a square equal to what? pq plus 1, right? pq plus 1 xy plus a plus 1 equal to q. Right here q, then y square. Okay. Now you can write px square plus pq into xy equal to what? pq xy plus 1 into xy plus q y square. Okay. Now you see, from these two expressions, px is the common, right? Px, then here is x, and here we take px then common, then only left qy, right here qy plus plus. You see which one is the common? Only y is the common between these two expressions, right? Y, then ax, then qy. Okay. Look, x plus qy and x plus qy are the same, so we have to take common. x plus qy, then px plus y. Okay, now we have to put the value of q and p right here. X plus q means what? Q means a plus 1, a plus 1 y. Then p means what? P means a minus 1, a minus 1 x plus y. Okay, now x plus ay plus y. Look, x, a into y, ay, 1 into y. Then ax minus x plus y. Okay, look, I am putting the value of q here and putting the value of p here. So we have to write here, putting the value. The of p and q. P and q. Okay, look, q means a plus 1 y, p means a minus 1 into x plus y. Then x, a into y, ay, 1 into y. X into 1 x, y. Okay, so this is the required factor. Now I will solve question number 21. Look, question number 21 is a cube plus a plus b whole cube. Student, notice this question is very much important for your exam. Look, you can write a cube minus b cube plus a plus b whole cube, then minus 8b cube. Look, minus 8b cube and minus 1b cube equal to minus 9b cube. Okay, look, then a cube minus b cube plus a plus b whole cube minus 2b. Student, we know the formula. Look, a cube minus b cube equal to what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. We know a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we have to write these two expression like this formula. Okay, in this formula. Okay. Look, you have to consider now a means what? A plus b. B means 2b. Now look, a cube minus b cube. What is the formula of a cube minus b cube? That means a minus b. A means what? A plus b. B means 2b. Okay. Then a square. A square means a plus b whole square plus a plus b into b. B means 2b plus b square. B square means 2b then whole square. Look, I have written here a minus b. A means what? A plus b. B means 2b. A square means a plus b. A square plus ab. AB means a plus b into 2b. 2b plus 2b whole square. Okay. Now a cube minus b cube plus a minus b. We have to break this formula. A square plus b square plus twice ab. Then you have to multiply this 2ab plus 2b square. Okay. Then 4b square. Okay, student. Look, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2b into a, that means 2ab. Okay, 2b into b, 2b square, 2b whole square, that means 4b square. Now a cube minus b cube plus a minus b Now look, a square plus 2ab, that means 4ab. Look, 1b square, 2b square, that means 3b square, 3b square plus 4b square equal to what? 7b square. 7b square. Okay? 2ab, 4ab, 4ab. Okay? Then b square, 2b square. 3b square plus 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, that means 7b square. Now we have to write the formula a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. A minus b into a square 4ab plus b square. Now see, a minus b and a minus b is the common, so you have to write a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square is the rest factor is the a square plus 4ab plus 7b square. Now write a minus b. Look, a square plus 1a square, that means 2a square. Then 4ab plus 1ab means 5ab. Look, 7b square plus 1b square equal to 8b square. Okay, dear student, look, this is the factorization form of this expression. Now I want to talk with you about SW. Look, SW number 6, book page 61, exercise 3.3, question number 14, 15, 25 and 26. Okay, dear student, you submit the SW copy on every Sunday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Okay, student, you keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.